Hello everyone, my name is Love, and I'm representing my team for YoungGRD, and I'm excited to tell you about the product we've been building for the past 40 hours called NewsQuiz. So our team were 5 friends who thought that going to a hackathon would be a good time, so it's been working out so far. Now, so what are we solving with our product? The problem that we see is that a lot of English reading and writing exercises, it's a very crucial skill. They're very crucial skills, but a lot of people find it hard to motivate themselves to work on them. Part of it is because maybe they lack interest in the subject matter of these topics. Maybe there's not enough new content for them to work on, or content that they want to work on. So the solution we came up with is NewsQuiz. It's a virtual assistant that generates practice material from news articles. And specifically for each of these segments, NewsQuiz will create a set of questions, comprehension and grammar questions that users can practice on while reading the article itself. So the demo that we built includes a generation engine that can generate questions from these articles, and a functional web apps that users can read and answer questions from. So we're going to show it real quick. I'm going to show it real quick right here. This is the front page, and here we have the questions. All of these questions are generated by our engine. So all this process is automated. The content is crawled automatically. So we have potentially thousands of articles and questions that users can choose from of a varying number of topics. And this is one of our key differences and one of our core values. We aggregate news, we provide learning materials, and on top of that, each of these questions can be personalized and tailored to each user. Maybe you're someone who's weak at grammar or certain types of sentences, so we create more of those instances to help you learn and improve at your own pace. So the core, these are the core values that we try to bring with NewsQuiz. And the market speaks for itself. News is very popular. A lot of people like to read news. Similarly, English learning has a lot of very large communities. So our market is somewhere in that overlap of millions of people who really can benefit from this application. And some of our competition are very popular English learning apps, and we hope that the key differences that we bring can create a market share for us and compete with these very mature products. So the core of what we bring is content. We bring a large number of content that we hope is also of very high quality and can interest users into learning in a more efficient manner. So the business model that we have in mind is a freemium or subscription-based model with 3 tiers. The first tier is free, where users are limited in their content. The second tier is the full standard service, where they can read from our large collection of articles. And the premium subscription allows users to upload their own content and work on their own text. So this is a rough timeline of what we expect to deliver. We expect a launch somewhere in 2020. This is a very rough sketch of what we expect to accomplish. And finally, our thanks goes to Cambria and the judges and everyone who listened to our presentation. We thank you for listening.
Okay, thank you. the content, how you can control the conflict content. For example, about the same subject, for example, like actor or actress were married, then the next day they deny that. Or and the same day, how can we generate the content if there is some conflict like it?
So the content that we generate is we use news articles as sort of a source of text so what we generate is the questions based on the article. So if the article is about a couple, then it will be something like when did they get married or.
Oh, that's why I mentioned the article said that they were married. And then, in fact, it's not, and then I just reply because I know that it's true, but if they are not married, and you said, oh, sorry, you are wrong.
Oh, okay, so
I'm right. You said that I'm wrong.
Right, but okay, so the questions only concern the reading article. So maybe they're talking about fake news, and so like if they do a reading exercise on a fake news article. I would argue that it still benefits their English. I suppose we could have a vetting process of what content that we deliver to people. Yes, that is very interesting.
Very good answer. Practical thinking. Very good answer.
For me, I am very interested in the technology, the underlying technology, how you can generate the question. Because what kind of difficulty of the question you can generate?
Right. So we have some pretty obvious ways of easy question generation. Maybe omitting words in a sentence or creating variations of words. One part that we were able to accomplish in this hackathon was having content-based questions. So, for example, who got married in 1970 is something that we could potentially generate. And we do that by analyzing the syntax tree of the sentences within an article. So, if we have an information like, I got married today, then the system could create a question that's like, who got married today? So, it uses the grammatical information to kind of generate a solid response. On top of that, we have a paraphrase engine that could create a slightly altered paragraph, and this allows us to create slightly more diverse questions for the user.
When it comes to the demo, I realized that your English is really good. What do you guys think?
Yeah.
So my question is, did you train yourself using your assistant?
I really hope that I can say yes.
What's your secret? You get a lot of credibility building this system.
Thank you. Yeah. I suppose I also read a lot of news articles and just read up on a lot of news. So like, I would say that it's a really good way to practice and to improve. So
My last question is that because I didn't have a chance to pass by your table before, but right now, for example, I give you a text.
Right.
Immediately you can, your system will produce immediately some kind of question.
Yes, it will produce a list of questions, and then we filter out what we project to be the best question for that article. So mostly we base it on the vocabulary of the question. Are there a lot of difficult words in this sentence? So we would rank those higher. And yeah, we would have maybe 5 or 7 or 10 questions for each of those texts.
The vocabulary question, it just means that you just, for example, before I just you detect the verb, and then you just change the form of that
variation of verbs. We use synonyms. We use a lot of those kind of NLP, wordnet queries to generate these questions. Yes.
Do you think that you can improve so that your engine can understand the the semantic of the sentence. Say, let's say I have a sentence like Peter is the brother
Nhỏ của
of
mình đã hết
Susan,
thời gian rồi ạ.
and Susan is the sister of Peter. Do your
That,
system can
that's
change?
a very interesting problem, and we hope that we can do that in the future. Yes, that would be really cool.
Vâng ạ, xin cảm ơn chương trình của VAGC và tiếp theo xin mời phần về của nhóm sách channel